Each year, the Beef Improvement Federation recognizes a commercial farm or ranch for its dedication to improving the beef industry at the commercial level. The Commercial Producer of the Year award has been presented annually since 1972. The award recognizes commercial producers for their dedication to improving the beef industry at the commercial level. BIF member organizations can nominate producers for the award. A committee then evaluates the nominees based on long and short-term goals, record-keeping system and implementation, breeding system, selection objectives, and other aspects of their management system. The evaluation also considers the leadership roles of the operation in the industry and their influence as a role model and embodiment of the mission of BIF. Nominees are included in the BIF Commercial Producer Honor Roll of Excellence, viewable on the BIF website at beefimprovement.org. The awards for the BIF Commercial Producer of the Year are sponsored by Drovers. We thank Drovers for their support of our award program. The nominees for the 2023 Commercial Producer Award presented in alphabetical order are Callahan Brothers, LLC, TJ and Jake Callahan, Centerview, Missouri. TJ and Jake Callahan have been in the cattle business all their lives with their father, raising Limousin cattle since 1990. Brothers TJ and Jake partnered together via Callahan Brothers, LLC in their commercial cow operation. They run approximately 300 head of commercial Limousin cross cows that they breed to primarily registered purebred Limousin bulls, which are produced out of their registered Limousin herd, also located in Centerview, Missouri. Half of the herd is spring bred, with the remainder in the fall. They have a split calving season in order to diversify the marketing of their feeder cattle and reduce market risk for their commercial cattle production. They market their feeder cattle through Kingsville Livestock in Kingsville, Missouri. In the early 2000s, they were running their cow numbers in the direction of commercial blacks and grew their commercial herd to 300 head by 2014 when the brothers formed their partnership in Missouri. Their number one goal near term is to produce high-quality commercial cattle that are in demand and remain profitable with current industry market conditions that work for all sectors of the beef industry and fit into the commercial feeding, packing, and retail meat business. They feel they can accomplish this by utilizing EPDs and phenotype data generated on their registered herd to mate and produce superior quality commercial cattle at their ranch. They strive to operate with minimal debt, given interest rate increases, to reduce input costs while trying to maximize superior weight trait cattle to be economically efficient. Long term, they are wanting to purchase additional land in order to expand and be less reliant on leasing additional acres to operate efficiently into the future. They also run a bulk feed and custom application. Callahan Brothers utilizes AI and embryo transfer to produce high-performance EPD-backed sires and replacement heifers that are incorporated back into their commercial cow operation in order to create reputation feeder cattle that excel in terms of weaning weights, feed performance, and carcass quality. Callahan Brothers was nominated by the North American Limousin Foundation. Douglas Lake Cattle Company, owner Stan Kroenke, manager Phil Bragg, Douglas Lake, British Columbia. Douglas Lake Cattle Company was incorporated in 1884 and consists of 4 ranch divisions. All divisions are located in south-central British Columbia and have a combined carrying capacity of 13,000 mother cows on a land base of 1.8 million acres of deeded and crown grazing combined. The cow herds consist mostly of Black Angus cattle with some Hereford influence and Charolais for a terminal cross. All cow herds are spring calving with replacements selected in-house and bulls purchased from Western Canadian purebred breeders. Record keeping and data analytics are a central part of their management strategy. All ranch divisions are analyzed individually in all aspects of production, from crop production to cattle. Each calf is weighed individually at weaning, and performance is tracked individually for those going through a backgrounding program to grass and those being selected as replacements. At the Douglas Lake Division, they background around 1,300 steers for grass and sell as long yearlings. All other divisions sell their calves in the fall and retain only mature cows, replacement heifers, and bulls over the winter feeding period. All feed production is produced in-house on 9,000 acres of irrigated land, growing a variety of crops, including grass, alfalfa, barley, and corn silage. The ranches employ around 120 full-time staff that are broken into various crews, such as cowboys, farmers, irrigators, heavy equipment operators, truck drivers, maintenance, and tourism-related staff. All staff and families live in company-provided housing at each of the ranch divisions. Douglas Lake Division also operates a tourism business centered around rainbow trout fishing, RV camping, a hotel, and resort accommodations. Long weekends in the summer months will see up to 800 guests visit the ranch at the various resort locations, with around 7,000 visits annually. Douglas Lake Cattle Company was nominated by the Canadian Beef Breeds Council. Again, congratulations to both outstanding nominees. This year's winner, who will be joining the elite list of BIF Commercial Producers of the Year, is Douglas Lake Cattle Company, Douglas Lake, British Columbia. Congratulations to Stan Kroenke and Phil Bragg.